Hey everyone, Diane from Crystals by Diane here. I want to do a quick video of all of my crystals and metaphysical items and jewelry I have for sale. This is the stuff that I put in the grab bags, my crystal boxes, and all kinds of stuff. I hand make these triple moon witches bells. They're great for protection in your home. I put together these awesome grab bags. I have towers, skulls, dragons, crystal money trees, spheres, worry stones, mini mushrooms. I just have so much stuff. Different carvings, stainless steel necklaces. You've got to come see me and keep an eye out on my website for anything that you might see in my videos that you're interested in. Just contact me and we will get you set up to purchase, and I ship anywhere in the USA. These are the crystal boxes that I make up. They have different values. That one's $60 and comes with all the contents. This one's $100, comes with all the contents. These are the crystal wands that I sell on the website, the wooden wands with the spheres on top and the wire wrapping. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I have all kinds of rocks. I have gorgeous pendulums. All this stuff gets put in my grab bags and crystal boxes, the monthly subscription boxes. I have tons and tons of tarot cards, rune sets. I've got these prism sun catchers. They're awesome. They make rainbows when you put them in your windows. Here's more of my tarot cards. My tiaras. I have all kinds of tiaras. They start at $15 and go up to $25. My prices are amazing. I've got these obsidian spheres with Tree of Life on them. Necklaces and more. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.